4 Best Income Secrets. 1. Become a product tester. The testing phases are typically conducted in various countries. These tests help identify potential issues before they reach the market. Earnings: $10 to $20 an hour. 2. Bake, or meal prep, for others. If you love to cook and make special food, then you might want to start a baking business. You could make up to $400 a month by taking in special requests from clients. Or, you could provide meal planning services for people who don't have time to cook. Earnings: pay varies by item. 3. Transcribe by the hour. With the rise of digital media, many creators are turning to freelancers to transcribe their audio. Earnings: $15 to $30 an hour. 4. Start a garden and sell your produce. Start your own garden and sell your produce. Start by marketing your side hustle on social media or create a web page for locals to check out. Sell your produce by food item or put together grocery boxes for those ready to stock up each week. Earnings: pay varies by item. Start earning today.